Next children, seventh question is, in the adjacent figure, HOPE is a parallelogram. So HOPE is the parallelogram. Find the angle measures of X, Y and Z. So X, Y and Z, again same question. X, Y, Z we need to find out. State the properties you use to find them is the question. Also, which property we are using to find, we should tell them. So HOPE is a parallelogram. X is here, Y is here, Z is here. They have given angle H and angle this as 70 degrees. So how shall we do now? Means now I taught you the concept of alternate angles. Z-shaped angles are alternate angles. Now in the figure, if you look children, ZPY, no, this way I will take EHP. This is E, this is H and this is P, and angle PHO. No. And angle HPO. This is given as 40 degree children. This is angle Y. Okay na? This is 40 degree. This is angle Y. Now if you see, this is not in Z shape. Is it in a Z shape? So angle Y is equal to 40 degree anta we can write. From the figure, angle Y is equal to 40 degree. Why? Reason you should give, I said no. It is alternate angle. It is an alternate angle. So we got to know what is angle Y. Now, next concept what we shall apply is 70 degree. We have exterior angle. So 70 degree, the exterior angle is angle Y plus angle Z. You have studied now children, exterior angle is equal to the sum, sum of the interior opposite angles. So 70 degree is the exterior angle. Z and Y are the interior opposite angles. So 70 degree is equal to Y plus Z. I wrote 70 degree as it is. Y just now we find it out to be 40 degree. Andre we can easily find out what is angle Z. So 70 plus 40, if I send to other side, it becomes minus 40 degrees equal to angle Z. Andre this implies angle Z is 30 degree. How 30 children? 70 minus 40 is, so we got angle Z to be 30 degree. Next we need to find out what is angle X. All the three they have asked now. Yes, we need to find out X. Now if you observe children, this angle E and angle H, angle E and angle H are adjacent angles, isn't it? Adjacent. Angle E and angle H are adjacent angles. But if you see at H, X is angle E is equal to angle X, they have labeled. So angle E is X. If you write angle H, if you observe children, angle H, this diagonal HP what is being drawn is dividing angle H into 40 degree plus Z. So in place of angle H, I should write Z plus 40 degree. In order to get whole angle H, it is split into 40 degree plus angle Z. So angle H is whole 40 plus Z, I should write. Now, so in E and H are adjacent angles, and therefore we know E plus H is angle E plus angle H will be 180 degree. Hence, in place of E, now I will write angle X. In place of H, what I should write? Z plus 40 anta. So, angle X plus angle Z plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Bracket ali you will write adjacent angles as the reason. Now, X plus Z plus 40. Angle X we don't know. We are finding out angle X. So, as it is I will write Z. Just now we find it out to be 30 degree plus 40 degree I will write as it is equal to 180 degree. Angle x plus 40 plus 30 is again 70 degree is equal to 180 degree andre angle x is 180 degree minus 70 degree. So angle x is clearly 110, that is 110 degree children. So hence we find out angle x, angle y and angle z. See, am I applying any some difficult method? Simple properties only I am using. So these properties which I am using, you should keep in mind, record it in mind, note it somewhere. These properties only you will apply. Either alternate angles are, corresponding angles are, adjacent angles are, other properties of parallelogram, kite, all that quadrilaterals properties you should remember, or angle sum property, or exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angles. These properties only repeatedly we are using in order to solve children. So all the problems are very easy if you do in this method. 8th main, the following figure GUNS and RUNS are the parallelogram. Two parallelograms are given. Find x and y, lengths are in centimeter, they are given. This is again one of the simple problem. Let me draw both the figures for you. First one figure ಏನide andre, it is S guns. So GUNS I should label it as. This is GUN and S. So this is 26, this is 3y minus 1, this is 3x and this is 18. This is the first figure children. We shall solve one by one. These are parallelograms they are telling. We know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel. Opposite sides of the parallelogram are parallel. So what we will write is, based on this you have to write for both the problems. I will write only for one problem. Based on the property of a parallelogram, based on the property of a parallelogram that the opposite sides are parallel and equal, we can write, which are the opposite sides children? GU is opposite to SN. So GU is equal to SN it should be. So GU is equal to SN and other two opposite sides are, this is S andre, GS is equal to UN. GS is equal to UN. So they have given what are the measurement of all the sides. We shall simply substitute and simplify, that's all. So second one also you should apply same property and simplify in the same method children. I am doing this, you will do one more. So GU is equal to SN first I will consider. What is GU is equal to 3y minus 1 is equal to SN 26. So what is 3y? It is 26. If you send minus 1 to other side, it becomes 20 plus 1. So 26 plus 1, 3y is equal to 27. What is y andre? 27 divided by 3. These are the basic things which I have been telling you in algebra chapters. In between 3 and y, multiplication is there. So I want to send 3 to other side, means I should divide. It is completely divisible. 3 ones are, 3 nines are. Therefore y is 9 children. Y is equal to 9 we got. So what is GU now? GU is 3y minus 1. 3 into 9 minus 1. 9 3s are 21 minus 1 andre. It is also equal to 26. They have said no, length are in centimeter. Therefore GU is equal to 26 centimeter. So opposite sides are equal and parallel anta we proved. Similarly, now what we wrote, GS is equal to UN. Again let us equate it and write. What was that andre? GS is equal to UN. From the figure, what is GS? 3x is equal to UN is 18 centimeter, means x is 18. 3 I am sending to other side, divided by 3 ones, 3 6 andre. X is equal to 6 we got, correct? X is 6. So we have Sn is equal to, Sn is 3x andre, Sn is equal to 3 into x we got to be 16. So Sn is 6 3s andre. It is 18 centimeters. See, didn't we get the same? So opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel and equal. Based on this property, we can solve this problem, children. So second figure also represents the same. I thought it's same, but here they have used the concept of, children. We studied the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So you can take there x plus y is equal to 16 as one equation and y plus 7 is equal to 20 as one equation and find out x and y. I hope you will do it. It is easy. Ninth one I will solve for you. Next, in the ninth main, children, the question is, in the above figure, both RISK and CLUE are parallelogram. Find the value of x is the question. The figure you can refer textbook if this is not clearly visible to you, children. See, RISK. This is one parallelogram. And this shading, what I will do now, this type of lines I will draw. Shading is not possible. So these two are the parallelograms, children. This dotted line, let me draw it as straight lines so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay now RISK. Let me highlight it for you. RISK is one parallelogram, children. See, this you can see now, I hope. RISK is one parallelogram and UECL is one more parallelogram. CLUE, sorry, we will go in order. CLUE is the second parallelogram. Now, both the parallelograms are meeting at point X. So when they meet, children, you get one small triangle ESX. ESX is the small triangle and they are asking us to find what is angle X. What is angle X? So we shall consider both the triangles separately, parallelograms separately for that. First I will consider in the parallelogram RISK. This shaded, darkly shaded borders, no? RISK, that parallelogram I will consider. First parallelogram only. I know what is angle K. They have given it as 120 degree. So children, angle K and angle S, not X, don't get confused. Angle K and angle S are adjacent angles. So their sum should be equal to 180 degree. We know that by using that property, I will write angle RKS plus angle KSISK or KSI. Either way you can write. ISK is 180 degree. Reason I have given as adjacent angles. I know what is angle K, that is 120 degree plus ISK as it is, I will write is equal to 180 degree and write ISK is 180 minus 120 which is 60 degree. So I got angle S to be equal to 60 degree now. Next I will consider the second parallelogram CLUE. Clue. In the second parallelogram CLUE, children, this box and to the power AM is the short form I use for parallelogram. But that is for me and not for you. I want you to write whole word. So in parallelogram CLUE, angle L is given to us. What it is? 70 degree is given to us. So we shall make use of that now. Angle L 70 degree andre, in parallelogram CLUE, children, angle L and angle E are opposite angles. And from property we know that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Hence, angle CULC is equal to CEU is equal to 70 degree. Reason I am given as opposite angles. Hence, angle CEU is equal to 70 degree. We got. So, angle E also we find it out to be 70 degree. Now, we have this small triangle now. SESX. E triangle is children. That in that we have angle X, which is the value which we want to find out in the problem. So in this triangle we know both the values of angle E and angle S. So in triangle SEK, angle E plus angle S plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Why? by angle sum property of a triangle. By angle sum property of triangle, in this small triangle ESK, angle E plus angle S plus angle X is 180 degree. We know what is angle E. So I will substitute 70 degree. I know what is angle X, that is 60 degree. I will substitute X. Now I am finding out. I will write as it is equal to 180 degree. How much is 70 plus 60? 130 degree plus angle X is 180 degree. Therefore, angle X is 180 degree minus 130 degree, and clearly angle X is 50 degree. That's all. Hence we find out what is angle X. So simple, no children? Again, see what did I apply? Adjacent angle property, opposite angle property, angle sum property. Am I using something new which is difficult or unknown to you? So simple it is. So you should be able to understand, children. That is about the 9th problem. 10th question is, yes, 10th question, explain how this figure is trapezium. Figure 4.32, that is first figure in the question textbook, children. They are asking you, how can you say that it is a trapezium? For that you should know the properties of the trapezium. So any quadrilateral, children, you have studied about the rhombus, parallelogram, kite. First one you have studied in the previous session. I explained you trapezium and its properties, and I said you to write as well. Based on that property, you need to prove that figure 4.32 is a trapezium. I want to take it as the homework. It is very simple. You can solve it on your own, children. You should know the properties of trapezium for that. If you know that, you can do it. 11th and 12th, I will do it for you.